Jeffrey Ballesteros is here. I'm here to work on our project in Networking 1, which involves the straight-through cable and cable. This project will be submitted to our subject teacher in Networking 1, Sir Jess Lindon. So let's start our project by making the straight-through cable. So before we proceed to the straight-through cable, this is the tools that we needed. UTP cable, crimping tool, and RJ45. The color code of straight-through cable is exactly the same with the side 1 and side 2, which is orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, and brown. What is straight-through cable? It's a type of twisted pair cable that is used in local area network to connect a computer to a network hub such as a router. This type of cable is also sometimes called a patch cable and is an alternative to wireless connection where one or more computers access a router through a wireless signal. What is the use of straight-through cable? Straight-through cable used to provide a connection that only allows one end to communicate at any given moment. These cables are the most common. They are best when connecting two different types of networking equipment. For instance, they are appropriate for connecting a computer to switch a router or printer. So after finishing the straight-through cable, let's proceed to the crossover cable. So let's start. Color code of crossover cable. Side 1, green, white, green, orange, white, blue, blue, white, orange, brown, white, brown. Side 2, orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, and brown. What is crossover cable? A crossover cable is a type of cable installation that is used for the interconnection of two similar devices. It is enabled by reversing the transmission and receiving pins at both ends. So the output from the one computer becomes input to the other and vice versa. The use of crossover cable. Crossover cable is used to connect two similar devices directly to each other, like two computers or two switches, without needing a router or hub in between. It's handy for creating small networks or for direct file transfer. We are so grateful, Sir Cheslindo, for mentoring us in this subject and sharing your expertise with us all. Thank you, sir.